Hey friends, do you find yourself doing the same boring stuff in Excel every day and ever wish you had a clone to handle this work for you? Well, today's tutorial is about to unlock the magic for you, the magic of Excel macros. Macros are sequences of instructions or commands that are recorded and saved for automating repetitive tasks to achieve desired output. So with using macros, you can just go from this to this with just one click. Let's start. Hi, and welcome to the Excel experience. So, for example, we receive some data on daily or maybe weekly basis, and we have to create a particular report and submit it to our boss. Here is our data, which we have to convert every day into this, which may take lots of time, so we can create macros and ask Excel to do this for us. You can find macros option under developer tab. So if you don't have that tab, here you can go to file, options, customize ribbon and add developer tab from here and OK. Now you can see developer tab here and in that here is macros. To start recording macros, we will click on record macro. Then we will give name to our macro. We can also provide shortcut key if we want. And here we can write small description. Now Excel will record our each and every click. As you can see, every day we receive this raw data. So first we will click here on this triangle and change our font to Bookman. Then from here we will align it to middle. Now we will add hours worked. And here we will calculate hours worked. And drag this formula below. Here we want to find out status, that is if employee has worked for 8 hours we want to it as present. Less than 8 then half day. If worked hours 0 then absent. If more than 8 then overtime. And if there is an error, then they have missed punching. Also, we want to do conditional formatting that if employee has missed recording entry, then it should be highlighted as red. Now we will apply border, highlight the first row. Now we want to provide some key information like how many employees are present, absent, etc. For that, we will count this data. So we will write COUNTIF formula. And now we can format our data properly so it looks good. Now we will create bar chart of the same. And we will also change its formatting little bit. Okay, so that's it. It's a long task, isn't it? But for that, we have recorded macro. Now we'll stop recording. Again, on the next day, we receive the same kind of data. So now we need not to do everything again because we have already given instructions to Excel and now Excel will do the magic. Go to Developer tab, Macros and select our macro. Ta-da! So easy, right? Now, here we have third day report. But as you can see, there are two additional entries of employees. So for that, we will have to modify our macros. By clicking on Visual Basic, we can go to Code where our macros is written. And here we will change the range we selected. And that's how we can modify our macros. Okay, so now that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.